still selling your digital products one by one and leaving money on the table? Today I'll show you how to bundle your digital products and sell them using System.io for free. This is for all of you ebook sellers, Notion template creators, and Canva toolkit designers who want to create a more valuable offer. By the end, you'll have a complete bundle with a sales page, checkout, delivery system, and email automation. Links to every tool and template I mention are in the description. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly cover why you should package a digital product bundle in the first place. A digital product bundle is simply a collection of 2 or more of your individual digital products packaged together and sold as a single item, usually at a discounted price compared to buying each item separately. The benefits are huge. The most obvious one is that you immediately boost your average order value. Instead of a customer spending $5 or $10 on one item, they're now spending $20, $30, or even $50 on a comprehensive package. This strategy is about delivering overwhelming value. When a customer sees they can get an entire suite of solutions for a great price, the perceived value skyrockets, making the purchase a no-brainer. Bundling also allows you to naturally cross-sell related products. If someone is already interested in your social media planner, they are the perfect customer for your content calendar, your hashtag guide, or your email marketing templates. You group them together and you solve a bigger problem for your customer. Finally, bundles are perfect for adding exclusive bonuses or creating urgency. You can include a special bundle-only resource that isn't sold anywhere else, making your offer far more compelling. Let's turn your scattered products into a clean, compelling offer that your audience can't resist. To follow this tutorial, you'll only need a few simple things. First, have your digital products ready: PDFs, Notion or Canva links, video files, or anything else you've created. Second, use a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox to store these files. This is how customers will access them after purchase. Third, and most importantly, create a free System.io account. If you don't have one, there's a direct link in the description. This all-in-one platform will power your entire system. You'll also want short product titles and descriptions. Just a few sentences explaining what each item is and what problem it solves. Optionally, mockups or a logo can make your sales page more professional, but they're not required. The best part, no coding, no design expertise, and no hiring needed. Let's get building. First, create your System.io account and set up your sales funnel. If you use the link in the description, follow the sign-up instructions. Once inside your dashboard, go to the Funnels tab and click Create. A pop-up will appear. Give your funnel a name like Ultimate Creator Bundle. Under Goal, select Sell since you're offering a product. Choose your currency and click Create. System.io will auto-generate a simple funnel, usually with just an order form and a thank you page. But for a stronger presentation, we'll add a sales page first. Click Create Step, name it Sales Page. Select Sales Page as the type and drag it to the top of the funnel list so your flow is Sales Page, then Order Form. This structure is all you need to start. Pro tip, keep it simple at first. You can always add upsells, downsells, or detailed thank you pages later after validating your offer. Now for the fun part, designing the page that actually sells your bundle. Click your sales page step, then edit page. System.io offers dozens of conversion optimized templates. Choose one that fits your brand to save time and effort. Inside the editor, use the drag and drop interface. Start with a strong headline that clearly communicates the bundle's main benefit, something like the complete toolkit for aspiring content creators. Follow with a short description that highlights customer pain points. Add a bullet point list of each product, its value, and how it helps. Include product mockups to visually showcase what's included. If you've got testimonials, add them for credibility. Finally, create a bold call to action button like Get Instant Access Now or Buy the Bundle. Set it to scroll to your checkout section for a smooth experience. And remember, I've linked free mockup tools in the description. With your sales page done, build the checkout page, called the order form in System.io. This is where the transaction happens. Click the order form step, then edit page. Keep it clear and trustworthy. Include a short summary or list of what's in the bundle so customers can review. Add payment fields after connecting Stripe or PayPal in System.io. Include a secure payment badge near the payment block and a checkbox for agreeing to your terms of service. Optionally, add a coupon code field for promotions. Then set up product delivery. In order form settings, go to Resources. Here's where you grant instant access after purchase. You can upload a digital product like a zip or PDF file, but for bundles, I recommend a single PDF or Google Doc with all download links. Upload that file here so buyers receive it immediately and avoid confusion or support requests. After payment, the customer goes to the thank you page. Though System.io marks this final, don't underestimate it. It's your first interaction post-purchase. You can embed download links directly on the page for instant access, or include a button linking to a shared Google Drive folder or private Notion page. Another approach is using the thank you page to confirm the purchase and let them know an email is on the way with their downloads. We'll set that up next. Always add a warm thank you message. You can even embed a short video thanking them and giving a tip to get started. This builds connection. The page should clearly guide them to their purchase. Don't skip it. It sets the tone for your brand. Now let's automate delivery with email. This ensures every customer gets their product even if they close the browser. It also welcomes them into your community. Inside System.io, go to emails, then campaigns, then create and name it something like bundle delivery. Then add an email to your new campaign. The email should have a clear subject like "Your creator bundle is here." Add a short thank you and provide download links, either a Google Doc, Dropbox folder, or individual links. You can also include bonus tips or tutorials. Once saved, go to your funnel, click the order form, then automation rules, then add rule, then trigger new sale, then action, subscribe to email campaign, then select bundle delivery. Now each buyer is added automatically and receives the email. I've linked an email swipe template in the description you can adapt. Now that your bundle is ready, go live and promote your funnel. In your funnel settings, you'll find the public URL for your sales page. This is the link you'll share everywhere. Put it in your YouTube description, Instagram bio, Pinterest, or a blog post. To create urgency, go into your order form settings and create a limited time coupon for a launch discount. Share it with your audience to drive sales. Use a URL shortener like bit.ly to track clicks by platform. And just like that, you're officially in business. It took less than an hour to set up a full sales and delivery system. Finally, let's talk pricing and revenue strategies. A proven model is tiered pricing. For example, you might sell a digital planner for $5 to $15, but a bundle with that planner, a content calendar, email templates, and a habit tracker could sell for $17 to $47. You can even create a premium tier with the bundle plus a coaching call or feedback for $67 or more. System.io also helps you earn more. Offer a free lead magnet, like one item from the bundle, to build your list and pitch the bundle later. Add one-click upsells post-purchase, offering a related product. And use the built-in affiliate system to let others promote your bundle for a commission. I've linked resources below to explore more monetization features. Let's recap. First, create your free System.io account. Second, build your funnel with a sales page and order form. Third, design a compelling sales page. Fourth, configure the checkout and upload your bundle. Fifth, automate the delivery and welcome email. Lastly, promote your funnel link. Everything you need, templates, mockups, funnel examples, is linked below. Packaging digital bundles doesn't have to be hard or expensive, not with a tool like System.io handling the heavy lifting. You now have the full framework to turn individual products into a high-value automated selling machines. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Now I want to hear from you. What kind of bundle are you building next? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to grab your templates, mockups, and your System.io free sign-up link in the description. Keep building, keep automating, and stay in work mode.